we guide you through how to create workflow in Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack workspace and go to the left sidebar, then click on More and select Automations or Workflow Builder. Once it opens, click Create and choose whether you want to start from scratch or use a template. Then give your workflow a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose the trigger like when a message is posted in channel, when someone reacts with an emoji, or when a form is submitted. After that, set up the steps by adding an action such as sending a message to a channel, collecting from responses, or notifying a specific person or team. Customize each step by filing the required fields like channel name, message content, or form questions. Then review your workflow carefully to make sure all triggers and actions are correct. Once everything looks good, click Publish to activate it. After publishing, you can test it immediately by triggering the event you selected to confirm it works properly. If needed, you can go back anytime to edit, update, or deactivate the workflow from the Workflow Builder dashboard so your Slack automation stays updated and efficient.